Here's a quick video to show you what to do if you're having trouble charging something. In this case, it works just fine on this spotlight. But in this, watch what happens when I plug it in. The light goes out. If I sit there and hold it, anyway, I have this cable here. It's plugged that I used to plug into my phone. And it got smashed. You see how smashed it is? Used to, with this spotlight, I had to use this rubber band to hold this cable into place because this connector is loose. But because this is smashed, and I had this plugged in the spotlight all night long, and it wouldn't charge. But because this one is smashed, when I plug it in, it holds it. This spotlight is charged up because I was able to use this smashed plug. I don't know how it got smashed, but it smashed. Anyway, it still fits inside, but it's nice and tight. In fact, I have trouble taking them out. But with these that are brand new, they go in and you can pull them right out. They go in, you pull them right out. But it works on this spotlight, and that is the proper thing that shows that it's charging. It flashes on and off, and it goes from red to orange to green. But with this spotlight, it wouldn't work unless like I said, I used rubber bands to hold this thing inside, and it was a pain in the butt. But because this is smashed, it goes in there. As you can see, the light's already charged. So anyway, if you're having trouble with some of your equipment because the connector is loose, and just smash the connector a little bit. You see how it's smashed? Anyway, it fits nice and tight, and so it allows the items to charge up. I hope this helps. May God bless you. In fact, what I'm going to do on camera is smash this one. It only needs to be smashed a little bit. And then you plug it in. See, now it's nice and tight. But when I plug it into the outlet, it still works. So again, if you're having trouble because your connector is loose and it's not charging properly, these things only cost $1 at the dollar. Sorry, $1.25 now at the Dollar Tree. Take a chance, smash it just a little bit so it fits in there tighter. See, now I can't pull it out as easily as I could before. I hope this helps.